Broad-based adoption of solid-state drives into growth applications is continuing, including AIoT, data centers, autonomous vehicles, machine learning, and smart cities, etc. These applications require SSDs to be lower cost, lower power, higher performance, and higher reliability to store mission-critical data locally and securely. The Advantest MPT3000 platform has established itself as the best SSD test solution to achieve this. The MPT3000 tester-per-DUT architecture and hardware acceleration capability enable all SSDs, SATA, SAS, and PCI Express to be tested at maximum performance, including the latest generation PCle Gen 4 drives. Now you can test all SSDs at full protocol performance over the full operating range to achieve maximum quality and reliability.
The MPT3000ARC is the latest member of the platform and of this family. The tester electronics is again the same, the primitive with the tester electronics in it, but we are merging or combining two major capabilities. One is the test capabilities from the HVM with the environmental requirements. This is exactly what the ARC is doing. It generates a climate. And this is the automotive temperature range, what we are calling it. There are several automotive ranges available, but we are covering the range from minus 40 degrees up to 105 degrees. And what we have in the ARC is total humidity control.